Hi, thank you so much for stopping by. It's Kelly Fusco, the Sunshine Crafter. In this video, I'm going to be featuring Trinity Stamps Bunny Burrow and Blessing Bear to create a peekaboo card, one of which I filmed, and the second card you'll see pictures of at the end of the video. I didn't film that one, I just made it on my own. I was inspired by Jennifer McGuire's peekaboo card, and I wanted to implement Trinity products to create a similar card. So you need to start off with two card bases, one just a little bit smaller than the other for the inside because of the Copic bleeding going through. Okay, so let's start. Now here I'm going to stamp the front, and now I'm lining up the die. I die cut it off screen. This way that creates the window. Only cut the front part of the panel. Open up your card so you don't cut the back part. And then there you see it lines up perfectly. Now here I'm using a multi-liner just to ground my critters so they're not like floating in the air. And I just used a Copic multi-liner for that. And then for the front, I just matched it up the best I could. It's not perfect, but it's close enough. I don't think the recipient will notice. And that's it. wanted to add a little ink. It needed a little extra something, was kind of plain. So I just added a little bit of tumbled glass distress oxide around the outside. And for the inside, I did the same thing, and I used a piece of cardstock to mask off where I didn't want the ink to go in other places. And that's it. I hope you liked the card. And if you get a chance, please check out Trinity Stamps Autumn Rainbow Release and their Facebook group and their Instagram and Instagram TV for more design team inspiration. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great day. And here's that second card.